Welcome to all. Development of surfaces. A hexagonal pyramid of base side 70 mm and axis length 150 mm is resting on horizontal plane on its base sides perpendicular to vertical plane. The pyramid is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP and is bisecting the axis. Draw the development of pyramid. This question how to solve in the AutoCAD I explain now. You have changed it drafting and annotation mode. Select a line. Draw one XY reference line, some random length. Below the reference line you have to draw the polygon. Select polygon. It is hexagonal pyramid, so number of sides you have to put 6. Enter, and edge option you have to select. Below the reference line you have to draw the model like this, and edge length is as per question 70 mm. Enter, draw like this. Base side is 70 mm, so one side is 70 mm. You have to draw like this polygon. It is 70 mm. Okay. Next, it is a pyramid, so connect all the corners with the straight line. Enter, like this, and from the reference height of the pyramid is 150 mm. Some students take the reference from here 150 mm. It is not correct. You take line from the XY reference line. The basis start from here 150 mm. Enter. Then all the corners you should connect. Before that, you take radius of circle. It is center. This is radius. Draw one circle. Okay. From the center to draw one horizontal line. This is your original length. So from here to draw one straight line up to the reference. Then you have to join with the apex. Enter. Join like this. This also you have to join like this. Now give the naming, then only problem solved in easily. Select single line text. I starting from here. Click, and letter height I give 8. Enter, and angle of rotation 0. Enter. It is small a, b, C, D, E, all the corners you should the name A, B, C, D, E, F, and it is XY reference line, X and Y. Okay, this apex, so it is O dash. Then A and F is here, so you give the naming here. Before that, put enter. As per question, a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP and bisect the axis. So some random length, draw a cutting plane, and it moved up to the bisecting the axis. Move. Enter. Midpoint of this cutting plane and midpoint of the pyramid. It is bisecting the axis Total height is 150 mm. It is bisecting the axis. It is half of the height, 75 mm. Okay. Next, this plane rotate 30 degree to HB. It is a horizontal plane. So you have to rotate. Select the object. Enter. Keep the cursor in the center point. Then rotate 30 degree. Okay. Select angular dimension. Select and base 30 degree. You have to rotate like this. Okay. Now A and F, you mark it here, A and F dash here. So go to annotate, single line text. Both corners should be in the same here. So A dash, select single line text. Letter height I give 5. Enter. Angle of rotation 0. Enter. A dash, small a, caps of A dash, comma, or within bracket F dash. Both point, it is this point, it is projected here. Next, B and E projected here. B and E. Okay. B dash within bracket E dash projected here. You give the annotated, then only easily understand the question. Then C and D project here. So here C dash within bracket D dash. Okay. Now take line command, draw one straight line up to the this inclination line. Select line again, draw one line, enter. 3 line you have to draw like this and measure the value. This line should be in the top. Okay. Go to aligned dimensions. From apex to the first cutting point, aligned dimension 67.16. Next, another one from the apex to second 82.83. Next, third one from apex to this length 107.28. Okay. You want to increase the text height, go to the dim style. Go to dim style, modify text. Text height is default in 2.5. It is not visible, so I give 7. And symbols and arrow size also 2.5. I increase 6. And primary units put 0. No need the decimal value. Put 0. And line colors also I change it magenta color. Give OK. Set current everything and close. No. Okay. Now it is visible. Dimensions. Okay. Go to aligned dimension. Edge length also I give 70. And diameter also 140. Okay. This is enough. The cutting plane angle, angular dimension, cutting plane to horizontal plane as per question 30 degree. Okay. Next, we go to develop the pyramid. So, measure the inclination line. Go to align dimension. From O dash to this length we take 166. This side only it is original true length only we got. This line don't measure it. Okay. 166. 166. Take one line here. Somewhere randomly take here. 166 radius one line first draw. Then take radius of circle from this center point is like this. Draw one circle like this. Okay. Now we go to the developed. So one edge length is 70 mm. In this pyramid base, one edge length is 70 mm. So select a radius of circle. It is a start point. A radius of circle 70. Draw like this. Then select line command. From here to here, you have to join like this. Okay. Then use move command. Select the circle. Enter from this center to another center. Again same process. Take line from join with the apex O. Move. Enter from this center to another center. This process do in the 6 times. Okay, you have 6 edges. So 6 times you got to do like this. And again move. Enter. This another center. Take line from here to here. Join like this. Enter. Again enter. Move. Select a circle. Enter. Next point. And join with the lines. Enter. Again move. Enter. This center to another center. 6 times you have to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you have to delete this circle and delete this circle also. A, B, C, D, E, F, again A. Okay. Now here also you have to give the naming. So go to annotate, select single line test. From starting here, letter height is I give 8, enter, and 0, enter. Development this portion, so you have to give capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, again A. It is O, capital O. Okay, enter. Give the naming like this. Okay. Now it is ordinary developed, but the cutting plane through bisecting axis. This portion only, as per question, we have to develop. So from O dash to the cutting plane, first point 107. This aligned length is 107. So select circle, radius of circle from O to 107 radius. Draw one circle. Enter. Now we have to mark the point. So go to command bar, p type, select any one cell, set size, okay. Now put point from here one point, enter, here one point, enter. See here it is A and F, so A dash F dash this point, so F dash one point, okay. Enter. Now this circle no need, you have to delete the circle. Next from O dash to next cutting point, this 83 mm, it is B and E, this center B and B dash and E dash, here it is 83 mm. So go to radius of circle from O to 83, enter. Which one? B and E. Put pointer B and E. Okay. Now we got to delete the circle. What remaining? C and D. C and D. C and D were projected here. What is the length? Aligned length 67. So radius of circle from the O to 67, enter. Okay. Which one? C and D. Put pointer one point, enter, another one point. Okay. Now we have to delete the circle. Now this portion we are cut it here, so take line, connect with all the points like this, and put enter. Okay. This unwanted lines you got to trim. Okay. This is your final solution answer. So go to polygon, select any corner, number of sides 6, enter. Edge option, select polygon 6, enter. Edge option, we come in polygon 6, enter. Another point like this. Okay, it is final solutions. Okay, thank you.